Leaders must meet and discuss issues. You cannot have a situation where leaders do not meet. How do you solve problems that affect both sides? For example, how do you solve the challenges that face the country when the leaders don't talk?
I thank the Katikkiro for being pro-development, and we've shared a lot of areas on how we can work together to boost our developmental projects in the areas of agriculture, health, and even in the areas of sanitation. And that is why we are working and designing a program with the Kingdom to see how best we can cooperate in areas of fighting poverty.
There are certain aspects of the programs they have that we are very, very interested in, like skilling the youth. We are very interested in skilling the youth because everyone must be skilled at something in order to survive. They've got programs to do with poverty eradication. I was telling him about our poverty eradication campaign dubbed Mwanterimba, you know, the coffee growing drive. And I'm sure if they understand the programs we have in the Kingdom, we should work with them to ensure that we enhance those programs. And generally on issues to do with health, you know how passionate we are in the Kingdom about promoting health. And again, the government has programs to do with health. You know that we work with the government in areas of HIV prevention. We have programs to do with public health. You know, the government at the moment is championing a campaign for fighting malaria fever. So we talked about a number of such programs because I believe that in those areas which concern the well-being of the people, we should be working with the government.
So we are all in the public domain to serve the interests of the country. Like I've always said before, cultural institutions, religion, and government are like the three cooking stones that must be at the same level and work concurrently in order for the public to be served.
Every Ugandan stays in the Kingdom of Buganda. So once you support programs intended for the well-being of the people in Buganda, in a way, you are helping all Ugandans. So we talked about all those programs. So I'm very, very happy to receive you here. And I look forward to more interactions.
So we are here just to continue promising that government is not an enemy to Buganda, and I'm sure Buganda is not an enemy to the NRM government. And the Katikkiro has always opened his door for people to come and consult and listen to him and share ideas with them. And so I'm grateful that this morning he found time to interact with me on behalf of the National Resistance Movement Party. I've brought you greetings from my national chairman, His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the leadership of the party, Alhaji Moses Chigongo, and all the other leaders of the party and members of the party. And I've also brought you greetings from my kingdom, the Paramount Chief of Acholi, Lord David Onena Chana II. I also send you greetings, your good friend. And when I told him I was coming, he said, send my greetings to Buganda Kingdom.
So that is the essence of these meetings, to exchange views, to build more cooperation. It is important. And I'm sure you're going to see a lot more leaders coming here. And you are always here, you see them. He's not the first one.